If your iPhone shows no service after updating to iOS 26, it usually means something went wrong with network settings, SIM recognition, or the carrier update. So here is how you can fix it. First of all, restart your iPhone. Hold the power and volume down button together and slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. After you do so, all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings, scroll and tap on the General. Now inside General, open the Software Update and update it to the latest version. Apple often pushes small updates to fix post-update bugs, so make sure that you are updated. Go back and scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset and tap on the Reset Network Settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi password and the VPN settings. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.